Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel ND Study Point. Today we discuss some computer MCQ. I hope this video is very helpful for your upcoming exam. Let's start. First question. A DAS is a large and expensive computer capable of performing scientific and business applications. Option 1 supercomputer, 2 mainframe computer, 3 mini computer and option 4 handheld computer. The correct answer is option 1 supercomputer. Next question. DAS is data that has been organized and presented in a meaningful fashion. Option A process, 2 software, 3 storage and option 4 information. The correct answer is option 4 information. A collection of unprocessed items is option 1 information, 2 data, option 3 memory and option 4 reports. The correct answer is option 2 data. The analytical engine developed during first generation of computers used DAS as a memory unit. Option 1 RAM, 2 floppies, option 3 cards and 4 counter wheels. The correct answer is option 4 counter wheels. Which of the following is known as father of computer? Option 1 Dennis Ritchie, 2 Napier, 3 Charles Babbage and option 4 Alan Turing. The correct answer is option 3 Charles Babbage. Speed of first generation computer was in option 1 nanosecond, 2 milliseconds, option 3 nanomilliseconds and option 4 microseconds. The correct answer is option 4 microseconds. First generation computers were based on option 1 transistors, 2 conductors, 3 integrated circuits and option 4 vacuum tubes. The correct answer is option 4 vacuum tubes. Computer size was very large in option 1 first generation, 2 second generation, 3 third generation and option 4 fourth generation. The correct answer is option 1 first generation. Who designed the first electronic computer ENIAC? Option 1 von Neumann, 2 Joseph M. Jacquard, 3 Prosper Ricard and John W. Mauchly, option 4 all of the above. The correct answer is option 3. The third generation computers were made with option 1 biochips, 2 transistors, option 3 integrated circuits and 4 vacuum tubes. The correct answer is option 3 integrated circuits. The period of the second generation computers was option 1 1946 to 58, 2 1940 to 63, 1956 to 63 and option 4 1957 to 64. The correct answer is option 3. Integrated chips or integrated circuits were started to be used from which generation computers? Option 1 first generation, 2 second generation, 3 third generation and 4 fourth generation. The correct answer is option 3. Analytical engine developed by option 1 Blaise Pascal, 2 Charles Babbage, 3 Dennis Ritchie and option 4 Alan Turing. The correct answer is option 2 Charles Babbage. Who developed integrated chip? Option 1 Robert Nayak, 2 C Babbage, 3 J Scalby and option 4 C.V. Raman. The correct answer is option 3 J Scalby. PCs are considered 4 generations and contain on option 1 information, 2 data, 3 vacuum tubes and 4 microprocessors. The correct answer is option 4 microprocessors. Artificial intelligence is an example of option 1 first generation, 2 second generation, 3 third generation, 4 fourth generation and option 5 fifth generation. The correct answer is option 5, fifth generation. Desktop and personal computers are also known as option 1, supercomputers, 2, servers, 3, mainframes, and option 4, microcomputer. The correct answer is option 4, microcomputer. Which of the following uses a handheld operating system? Option 1, supercomputer, 2, a personal computer, 3, a laptop, option 4, a mainframe, and option 5, a PDA. The correct answer is option 5, a PDA. Computers that are portable and convenient to use for users who travel are known as option 1, supercomputers, 2, mini computers, 3, mainframe computers, and 4, laptops. The correct answer is option 4, laptops. Thank you.